What do we got today in the mail? Oh, I mean, delivered at my door. What do we got? Oh my gosh. Look, Pyro friends, we got a package. Let's go see what it is. What's up, Pyros? We got an unboxing today because I received a package in the mail. And let's see what it is. A surprise unboxing. Why not? Let's do it. Let's unbox it now. Got my handy dandy shank. And we about to unbox and see what's in this motherfucker. Alright, let's do it. How you Pyros been? You guys been doing good? You guys enjoying the Pyro Ronnie videos or whatnot? That's good. If you are, that's good. I'm glad. Thank you. I appreciate you. And if you're not enjoying the videos, well, thank God there's billions of other things to watch on TV besides Pyro Ronnie. All right. Almost done here, getting this box done. Let's see what kind of stuff is in here. All right. Let's see what we got. And I think this was ordered. I ordered this from a place called Pyro Creations. They've got a bunch of good stuff for pyros who like to create and make their own stuff. And they got some fuse and a bunch of other stuff too. But also, they've got bacon snaps, adult snaps. Check it out. That's what we got. We ordered that. It was about $27 plus whatever shipping was. $16 shipping. So, I don't know. They're $40 for 30 packs of adult snaps. And let's get these open. Check them out. Got the adult snappies. Yes, sir. Where's my handy dandy shank? No worries. We'll use another shank. Let's get this box open. Alright. Sorry about that, guys. Had to open this box. So let's see what these Sky Bacon snaps look like. Well, what do you know? They look like snaps. Wow. Yep. There it is. Sky Bacon snaps. Let's open up a pack. And let's see how they come packaged. They come obviously like that. And we've got snaps, you guys. They're about an inch big. Don't have to rip open any bags. The bags are already open for you. Let's see what they look like. There they go. Baby snaps. Now these are the adult snaps by Sky Bacon. About an inch big. Let's go see what they sound like. Snaps by Sky Bacon. Ooh, nice little bang. Ooh. All right. I'm out. Pyro Ronnie is the king.